Did you know that Japan has villages where time seems to stand still? They offer a glimpse into traditional rural life that feels straight out of a storybook. In this video, we will discover the hidden gems of Shirakawa Go and Takayama, two enchanting destinations that showcase Japan's rich cultural heritage. After leaving the city of gold, Kanazawa, it was time to head towards the central Japan Alps towards the mountain town of Takayama, but on the way we stopped halfway at the most picturesque village in all of Japan. This is Shirakawa Go. My name is Sean. Welcome to Boundaries Unlimited. Declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site back in 1995, Shirakawa Go is famous for its traditional thatched-roofed farmhouses, some that are aged more than 250 years old. There's one thing you may notice about all the buildings here in Shirakawa Go. They were all built facing the same direction, north to south, to minimize wind resistance. Gassho-zukuri means constructed like hands in prayer, as the farmhouse's steep thatched roofs resemble the hands of Buddhist monks pressed together in prayer. The architectural style developed over many generations and is designed to withstand the large amounts of heavy snow that falls in the region during winter. The roofs, made without nails, provide a large attic space used for cultivating silkworms. One thing to keep in mind is Shirakawa Go is not an open-air museum, but a living, breathing little village. When imagining a Japanese alpine village, what runs through your mind are rice fields, fish-filled rivers running through the village, and thatch-covered roofs, and that is exactly what Shirakawa Go is. It almost reminds me of a Japanese Austria, just missing the goats. While Shirakawa Go makes for a great day trip from Kanazawa or Takayama, the best way to experience the town is by staying overnight in one of the farmhouses. But just like the bus tickets, be prepared to have to book very far in advance because there's not many of them here.
Half a day to find a trash can.
After an excellent meal and getting harassed by a little kid,
Hello, my name is Yamada.
It was time to get some award-winning pudding, voted the #1 pudding all throughout Japan.
Pudding.
The House of Pudding deserves the name because the pudding is really good. I had the coffee one, Ksenia had the custard one. If I could recommend you to get one flavor, get the custard. It was really good. But getting to Shirakawa Go was not as easy as I originally planned. We showed up at the bus station and they were completely booked out for the day. And I wasn't going to miss out on seeing Shirakawa Go, so my only alternative was spend an eye-watering 30,000 yen in a taxi ride to get to Shirakawa Go. Now we get to ride in luxury, so learn from my mistake so you save some money. After spending half a day exploring Shirakawa Go, it was time to take a short bus ride to head towards our next stop, Takayama. But first things first, I did need a little pick-me-up, and what better way to fulfill that than a nice espresso and my new favorite dessert, Mont Blanc. I'm not normally a sweet guy, but this is very interesting. It's made from pureed Sweden chestnut. Interesting taste, it looks like pasta, doesn't taste like pasta, but it's good nonetheless. Not gonna lie, since it was so cold and rainy, I was getting tired, and that's exactly what I needed with some caffeine and some sugar.
Sugar.
The retro streets of the 1950s have been reconstructed at the Takayama Showa-kan Museum. This nostalgia bonanza from the Showa period focuses on 1955 to 1965, a time of great optimism between Japan's post-war malaise and the 1980s economic boom. Ooh la la, what do we have up here? Lose yourself in the delightful mishmash from movie posters to cars and everything in between, lovingly presented in a series of interactive themed rooms. At Takayama Showa-kan, you can feel the good old days of Japan by seeing their display of nostalgic artifacts. I wonder what I'm going to upgrade to really step this channel up to the next level. Yeah, this might be my new camera. First, I gotta figure out how to use it. Oh, I got it backwards. That might. Maybe? Maybe we'll stick with Sony. I'll go ahead and take 4 pounds of Hida Wagyu beef, 2 pounds of the Mont Blanc. Hey, what are you guys doing here? So if you're enjoying the video, go ahead and give it a like, comment below, subscribe for more, and let's continue on with this tour.
Where's this?
Alright, let's see.
I'm a loser.
Wow, that was a lot of fun. It was very interactive and we spent way too much time there, a lot more than what I would have expected to. I was like a kid in a Nintendo retro store. But that being said, if you're in Takayama, the Takayama Showa-kan Museum is a must-visit destination. And now, it's time to go grab some sake. Along with the Hida Wagyu beef, I've been looking forward to trying some of the best craft sake in Japan. Takayama has 7 sake breweries that have been crafting sake for the last 100 years. They are easily recognizable by the cedar balls hanging over the entrance and the sake barrels to the left of the door. Hey, would you look at that? That was an interesting sake experience. You were your own sake brewer. You had to insert a coin to get your sake cup, and then after that you walked around from different sake dispensers to give yourself a little shot of sake. We went through our sake run in 5 minutes, so now it's time to go to the next sake brewery. Spin it, yeah. Cedar Ball, sake brewery number 2. So this one is self-served and you're only supposed to try once. Kampai. When someone pours you sake, you have to drink it. This is a lot better deal than other sake brewery.
Salute.
Or kampai.
Kampai? Which
Japanese.
Japanese. Kampai? Kampai. Kampai.
Number 3. You know, you
Kampai.
can sip on them.
It is said there used to be 56 breweries in the town about 330 years ago. Some wealthy merchants of Takayama, were known as the Danashu, began to brew sake using the rice they received as tributes. At the time, rice, which is the main ingredients of sake, served as a form of currency, so tributes were paid with rice. It is said that merchants would sell the rice when the market prices were high and sell it in the form of sake when prices were too low to make a profit. That being said, kampai. That one's pretty good.
Alright, so we already tried these, and one of this, which is disgusting. So, just 4 more left to try, and pick the one to go.
To go.
Only one more bottle to go.
Kampai.
I don't want to kampai anymore. Oh, this is tasty.
After consuming enough sake to kill a small cow, it was time to get something to eat. And in what better place than to try the region's famous Hida Wagyu beef than Takayama. So in today's video, we have discovered the charm and the beauty of Shirakawa Go and Takayama, highlighting why they should be on your Japan travel itinerary. They offer a unique glimpse into Japan's culture and history that you just won't find in the big cities. If you're looking for a more authentic experience and stunning views, these 2 destinations should be on your list. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out our other travel videos and share your thoughts in the comments below, because I would love to hear about your experiences or questions you may have about traveling throughout Japan. So if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a like, comment below, subscribe for more, and we will see you guys in the next one.